Today we're gonna unbox a package from Shopee. That's it. The package that you all been waiting for, the Meilong cube, but that post I deleted because I just don't want my viewers to be confused, that's all. I don't want my address to be like that. It's my privacy.
Do not confuse you guys, I recently promised that I'm not gonna upload until I get this cube, the Meilong 3x3. Bye.
Okay, here's the package. No, what I meant is here's the box. My first Meilong stickerless on a regular Meilong box. I'm just gonna remove my hydrants. To those guys who don't know, I just wake up a while ago, that's why I removed my hydrants. Okay, let's move to the queue. As you can see, I'm having a difficult time. Okay, now let's go to the queue. Let's check the queue. I'm going to check out what's the difference with this cube and the Meilong 3C. Let's see if there's a different feel, unique feel. Okay, let's do first things. Okay, nothing bad. I think the cube just needs a little bit of lube, that's all. The cube just needs a little bit of lube. Yeah. But the turn is not that bad. The turn's really great. Nothing bad to be mentioned about this cube. Okay, let's do a song. Okay, a great fact. The camera that I'm using right now is my main phone, the LG Stylus dual camera. And I'm not using the Infinix, which is my main camera for vlogging. Yeah. That's why I don't have a timer to preview my songs. Okay, what I'm gonna about to say to this cube is that it's really stiff and smooth. I just think it just needs some lube to make it better. But I'm gonna go with this tube without it to test how it's gonna be worked out without even lube. How it's going to be sold without lube. Do I recommend this? Yes, if you're starting out with budget cubes, you don't have a budget for flagship yet, you can buy this one for only $4 in your country, America, yeah, $6. But in the Philippines, it's only below 150 pesos. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Peace, guys.